Number 5 says use synthetic division to show that the given value of k is a 0 of p of x. Then find all other zeros of p of x. So we have a polynomial and they're giving us the k, so I'm doing the synthetic division with that. So if I bring down the 1 times 4 is 4, add these up and get 7. 7 times 4 is 28, add these up and get 10. 10 times 4 is 40, add these up and I get 0. And kind of like we showed on the last one, this is a good sign, so I'm going to put a smiley face because this means that 4 is a solution. It's a 0. To get the other ones, I'm actually going to put this back into its equation form. So every time you use synthetic division, it's always 1 power less. So because we started with a x cubed, this is going to be x squared plus 7x plus 10 if I bring this down as a polynomial. And from here I can factor this. So this will be x plus 5, x plus 2. And if I set that equal to 0 and solve, I get x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to negative 2. So these would be my other two solutions.